All right, I've got to be honest. This is probably the most expensive plywood I've ever bought for cabinet doors. But the second it showed up, I understood why. Every single sheet came individually wrapped, protected like a premium product should be. No scratches, no damage, no junk edges, just beautiful 3/4 inch bamboo plywood ready to work with. And once I started cutting it, man, this stuff is incredible. The grain, the color, the consistency, it doesn't look like ordinary plywood. It almost feels like a finished piece of furniture straight off the saw. For this project, I kept it simple. I cut it, routed the edges, and finished it with nothing more than mineral oil. That's it. No stain, no complicated finish. Just let the bamboo speak for itself. And the second that oil hit the surface, wow. The grain absolutely came alive. That warm, natural color, the edge grain detail, the clean, modern look. This is exactly why I chose bamboo for these cabinet doors. Not only does it look amazing, it's strong, stable, and has a premium feel you just don't get from standard plywood. Honestly, I think this may be one of the best looking cabinet materials out there right now. It's modern, it's unique, and it turns a simple cabinet project into something that really stands out. Just look at this finish. This is the kind of material that makes people stop and ask, what is that made out of? And that's exactly what I wanted for this build. I'm seriously impressed with how these doors turned out. Let me know down in the comments what you think about bamboo plywood. Would you use it in your own project? And if you enjoyed this build, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along because we've got a lot more custom projects coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do.